For these last two problems, we're going to convert these equations. The first one, we're going to convert it from rectangular form into polar form. So again, what I can do is replace x and y with what they're equal to. So I can write this as r cosine theta plus r sine theta is equal to 5. And now, when I write it in polar form, I want to write it in terms of r. So I can factor an r out of both of these terms. And then if I divide both sides by cosine theta plus sine theta, I end up with 5 over cosine theta plus sine theta. And that is the polar form of that rectangular equation. Likewise, if I'm converting from polar into rectangular, we'll do A and B here. We're not gonna worry about C. For A, we've got r is equal to 3. If I square both sides, I end up with r squared is 9. And up here, I have a representation for r squared in terms of x and y. So I'm just going to replace that with x squared plus y squared equals 9. And that is that equation in rectangular form. For letter B, I've got theta is equal to pi over 4. And I can say that the tangent of theta, right, I can take the tangent of both sides. Tangent of theta is equal to the tangent of pi over 4. Tangent of theta, I have a representation for that in rectangular form. I can write that as y over x. Tangent of pi over 4 is just 1. And if I multiply both sides by x, I end up with y equals x in rectangular form. So that's a quick and easy way to convert between rectangular and polar, and then polar to rectangular. And again, you're going to stick with using these equations, so make sure you have them handy when you're working on the assignment. Okay, hopefully that will help, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.